Hello everyone. Today I have this beautiful client volunteering for me. I'm doing her makeup for free. She was one of the top 20 winners. Top 20 winners getting flued out exclusively just so I can do this demonstration of how I do makeup for my clientele. So as you saw, I started off with some moisturizer and then a light layer of powder. I'm going in with foundation. I'm going to blend because that's my philosophy. And lately I have had a lot of celebrities flying in to see me to do their makeup. So these tips that I'm about to give you work very well. So blend for foundation. This is my number one tip. If your foundation ain't blended out well, you're just gonna look funny. You're gonna look like a peanut butter baby. You're gonna look like this past emo client I had. Now, to defend myself, it looked really good on her. Why? Because number one, my client's face card never declined. Never. Second, this was emo-inspired makeup. So this is her thing. And I went to one of her concerts the last time, and her makeup looked just like that because I taught her how to do this. And that's why I want to come out with this video, because I want people to learn as well my amazing techniques. This is all satire. I swear it's all satire. Please do not follow these techniques. This is all a joke. I'm gonna come out with a video in the future once I get better, I swear. But not right now. Not right now. This video is a joke. Please don't take me seriously. What is Roman Empire about, by the way, you guys? Because I am hearing all kinds of people be like, oh, yeah, my Roman Empire this, and the common misconception that men are always thinking about the Roman Empire, like they just go blank and they're just sitting there thinking about the Roman Empire. But I don't think they think about that. And also, I think they should think more about the economic state of the country, the economic state of the humans, because like this is a general problem. It's a serious problem. Like, get your money up, not your funny up, and think about your bag. Sorry, that was a little bit of a rant. I'm so sorry. I went so off topic. Nina, can you please come help me, please? Okay. Sorry, you guys. I needed some help to get these eyeshadow palettes ready because we're moving on eyeshadow. So, fast forward really quick. I just put the contour, the blush, and I did the brows. I need to work on the brows. I play up with the brows. Yeah, so I'm starting off with eyeliner for this specific look because you'll see right now. Have you guys thought about how this year is going to end in 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 12, 31, 23, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3? Like, this is like what's going on. I heard 2024 is going to be a leap year, and I hope it's a great year, but I also cannot guarantee that because the 2020 really traumatized us. Like, I hope you all could work on your goals and see this year as a fresh start. Though I'm very excited for my plans, and I know you guys are gonna have great plans, and I want to start off on a good note. Now I'm out here adding some glitter because I may do horrible eyeliner, but you can never go wrong with some glitter. So now we're gonna accentuate this eyeliner and make a round eyeliner, and this is a little hack I'm gonna show you guys that I made up on the spot. Because out of disaster, good things come, right? I'm guessing. So you just go ahead and bring that wing roundly to your crease, and then you blend that in, and you can add a little bit more eyeshadow to really brighten it up and make the color more vibrant. And yas, you're yassified after this. To make this even more gorgeous, we're gonna add some sparkle to the bottom, some shimmer, and to add that, what do you call it? I don't want to say emo just because it's black, but that And this pretty much finalizes the look. Please do not try this at home. Okay, I kind of ate a little bit. With this look. But thank you so much for watching. And comment down below if you have any suggestions for me. And here are some more of my other videos that I have. I really like the emo video. That one's my favorite.